Hey y'all, it's Mandy with Aunt Mandy's Creations, and today I have a little cute cat journal for you. As usual, we're just gonna get into it. So this is the front of this. It's got a yarn ball, little paw. The yarn swivels up, and it actually is, if I can pull it out. Well, let me untie that first. I'll show you. It swivels up or it curls up, and then it's a bookmark. So this is the front of the journal. About a half a yarn ball here. Here's the spine. We got a little mouse. We've got a little fish in a bag. Just cute little cat um, charms and whatnot. And then on the front or on the side, it's got a lace tie. So we'll untie that and we'll get into it. And I will show you. So this is your bookmark, and then it's got a cat on the end of it. So we'll move that out of the way for now, and we'll get started. So right away, pocket in the front. Got this journal belongs to, and the pocket matches the um, outside of the journal. And then we've got this little cat folio. This opens here. It's got a magnet to keep it closed. Got a cat in here. This opens up, pulls out, and this is a mini journal with lined pages. Now I'm not going to go through everything in the entire book, but I will show you things that stick out. And then once you open that, we've got cats and cats, some more cats. We've got cards in here. When you take the cards out, the cats are all together. So it's kind of a hidden pocket, but not a hidden pocket. And we open this up again. Same thing, tags. These are all black cats in this one. This flips over like this. Some more tags. This opens up. This is attached. It's another journal with pages. And then in the back is a cat card. And then in the front is also pocket with a cat card. So it's a nice little folio with a lot of journaling spots to it. That fits right in there. Okay. So all types of different kitties in here. I got my coffee dyed paper that I've used for a lot of the pages. You'll find a lot of these little cat-shaped paper clips in there, as well as some of my own paper clips. So I won't point those out every time, but got tags in the pocket here. Journaling. We've got a little, um, what do you call it? A cat tower. Yes, a cat tower. And there's cats in each hole. This one's got a little yarn ball. And then there's one little cat down here. You can move them up here if you'd like. Little kitty waterfall. Cute little bobbin shapes. The pocket tags, bobbins. The library cards have kitties on them. This is a hidden paper clip, cat paw. Little paw. got two sides to it, so other pocket and tags. There's a cat on almost every page. Almost every page. Lots of journaling space in here. There's some couple kitties in the grass, and they can move to different spots if you want them together or keep them separate, whatever you want to do. Just something a little fun. There are big pocket tags. You can use these as bookmarks. Another kitty. Another pocket with a lot of tags. Here's a little vellum um, pop-up with kitties and flowers. Hermit. Another hidden paper clip. Paw. Some kitties sitting on the furniture. This here is a little, this kitty comes out. You can use that as a journaling card. Or you can just leave it sleep in the cabinet. Another kitty waterfall. Here's another kitty cabinet. Opens up and there's a little kitty in there. This cat comes out. You just pull the little tag there. Or you can leave him in there and you can journal on the back. Here's another pocket full of tags and bookmark. There's also these little admit one tickets in there. Little cats on them. There's just a little playful kitty. He just wants to play. Lots and lots of journaling space. And I love the crunch of the coffee dye paper. Lots of ephemera in this pocket. Some more envelopes with more tags in this pocket. There's another kitty library card. A little kitty in the window. A pocket with a bunch of tags and bookmark. A hidden paper clip. There's also some paws that you can use as tags. Here is a little kitty um, card. It comes out. There's clear front on there. Cute little kitty. And we're halfway through. Another little kitty waterfall. Here's a little vellum pocket with an envelope, cat on the front of the envelope, and then inside, get this out, there's another kitty, and you open it up and there's a little mouse in there. You can journal in that as well. Pockets and tags and paper clip. And I flipped it to 2 pages. There we go. Another playful kitty there. Just just something fun. More pockets. Pocket and lots of tags. More pockets and tags. Last signature. Little kitty in the window. Another kitty waterfall. Lots of tags in this. Get this turned. Here we have a nursery. Kitty on the top. We've got an outside view. Kitty's on the dresser. This kitty here, he can move along the cradle if you want him to. So he moves. Got fabric curtains, a little um, shade. And on the other side, got the outside of the house. We've got kitty here. This kitty can move wherever you want him to, or he can just stay there. He works well right there. If I can put him back in there. Okay. Then we've got a kitty over here that can be moved around. This kitty here stays, but they're just in the garden. Large tags and bookmarks back here. More tags. Here's a little belly band with just a little journal or sketch pad in it. And that is removable. And in the back of the kitty book, you got a kitty. Same kind of pocket as the front and the cover. So you got this little kitty, the playful kitty from earlier in the book, and then you have Mr. Mousy, and you can open his door, and there he is. And that is the kitty journal. If you have any questions, just let me know, comment, and I will get back to you. Um, this will be available in my Etsy shop. There will be a link in the bio, or not in the bio, I'm sorry, in the description of this video to go to the Etsy listing for it. And if, as always, if you can like, subscribe, comment, anything helps to get this video out there. I appreciate you all, and until next time.